guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for being so consistent. In today's video, I am here with our dearest Mercy. And she's gonna be teaching us how to prepare authentic Liberian palm butter. I mean a real cool palm butter. There are a lot of people from the southeast can get first, but I always tell you that the cool people own palm butter. So Mercy, how are you doing, by the way?
I'm okay, Lauretta.
Okay, so can you please tell us a little about the palm butter that we're gonna be preparing today?
We cooking palm butter today with some dry goat, dry meat, dry fish, and little French fish. So we're going to do everything. We started already and watch the process. It's going to be very delicious too.
So I'm really excited for us to start doing it. So first of all, Mercy, where did you buy the palm? How much did it cost?
The palm is $50 for pack for now. Some places it's $25 because of the rainy season. We bought this at the Liberian market junction.
Okay. So what are we doing now?
We are about to put the palm on the fire. So after getting it from the market, we do the washing of it and get it to the fire.
Okay. And after that, what are we going to do?
We beat, sift and get it chopped out of it.
Okay, the chopped. My first time hearing chopped. I know we did a pampomish. That pampomish they got chopped? That the pampomish they got it chopped?
No, the how you say the scrub from it.
Oh, I ain't say pampomish. Mercy, you know pampomish?
No.
Pampomish? That is, I seen chopped there.
I'm using chopped too.
Hey guys, so after putting the palm butter on the cook pot, we're about to put the chicken soup. We added the pepper, everything, and we're adding. So is there like a limit
To what?
the vita that you're putting there?
Yeah, you don't have to do it more because the fish and
You season the fish.
I season it already. So do it with it.
Okay. So why are you using crown?
I prefer crown and I normally use crown and onga feet. That's why.
Onga. A lot of people be talking about onga,
Yeah.
onga.
You see that it has there's no salt in. No sauce here.
Why is the pepper at the top?
Pepper
Of the
corn.
bone.
This one is for those who can eat a lot of pepper.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah. You add that to your taste.
So how long is it going to take before you add the ingredients?
So it's almost about the when the palm butter is almost about the cook because the meat already cooked.
So what do? How you know? I like the way you put the chicken soup there already now. Do you have like how many minutes you wait before you put the
meat?
Yes.
So the palm butter have to turn like 85%.
85%.
Before you add the other things because the meat is already cooked.
Oh, okay. Okay, so while we're waiting for the palm butter to go 85%, according to Chef Mercy, we're gonna ask her to tell us a little bit about her restaurant, where it's located, and how much she sells her food. So, we turn it over to you.
So the restaurant is located at the Duport junction, not far from the junction or from Juba. QFM. If you come with besides QFM, you'll see my picture because I made the sample with my entire.
Oh, forget it.
I put my entire picture there. So you come there and you will see us. We post our daily menu. So we got a menu for the entire shop where we do. What we do rather, and we post our daily menu every day. So today we cooked palm butter, cinnamon roll, donut,
And I baked chicken. Woo! How much for that baked chicken?
So the entire plate is $13 for whole family.
Wow. Whole family?
Yeah, whole family.
Wow. That's
or
amazing.
over 7 pieces of chicken. If they go to the entire family. So we do GB on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays, where it's sold for $5 US and or $1,000.
Do you do delivery as well?
Yes.
You do delivery. So besides doing delivery, what are other services you have here at Vessia's Kitchen?
We do catering for events. So you can chat to us for your birthdays or wedding. We can do pastry, we can do the regular cooking for or do juices for you. Just tell what you need or what you want.
You can get discount.
Our prices are very cheaper and reasonable in the sense that you want to eat and you come with maybe 2 or 3 person for $1,000 food. So we'll have to give you like for the entire people that you came with. And guess the good thing about it, we started like Saturday, this one Saturday giving away. Is it a word giving away to people that can afford two persons every day from $10 worth item posted from the menu.
That's really nice. So how does it work?
So you put in your request either by call or by message and tell us that oh we saw this and you come and take your item. If you can't make it to come at the shop, you can also pay for the delivery, so we'll deliver the food to you as well.
So what is this? Oh, it smells really good.
Yes.
Which one?
That is everything.
Mmm.
Okay guys, we finally finished cooking the delicious palm butter with chocolate. As you can see, it's done. You can put in your order at Vessia's Kitchen or you call our number, send us a message, and we are open by 7:30 a.m. till evening hours, evening and night hours, because sometimes people go at night too. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's tasting time. This palmata, the smell. Oh, it smells so good and it tasted so good. The dry meat, everything was just clashing. And don't see me holding my chin like that. It was actually because of the kitchen. Like I almost fainted. The kitchen was so hot and yeah, I had to cut the recording multiple times. And then when I got home, God first, my mom second, because I was seeing black dust. I thought it was over for me, for real. The cold mixed with the headache, woo, it was bad. But thanks so much to Mercy for agreeing to teach me how to cook the palmos in your kitchen. Don't forget to check out her shop. Mercy is an amazing young woman who is striving to do great things in Liberia. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for being so consistent. I love you all. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the notifications bell. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel. The link will be in the description box. Bye bye.